Hello friends, and welcome to the next video tutorial of the series. In this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can create a list and arrays in Python. Now to create a list is very simple in Python. So if you want to create a list, you can simply put your data between these two square bracket. For example, if you want to create a list of first three natural numbers, then simply put your data and separate each number by this comma, and this will return a list. And if you want to store your list in some variable, then also you can do it by simply writing x is equal to your data, and here in variable explorer you can see that your list has been saved in variable x. Now as a science student, our main intention is data manipulation. We want to perform some arithmetic operations on a list and extract the information out of that. So let us see, is the list is able to do it or not. So for example, if we want to add two arrays, let us say another array y 4 5 6, can it do it? X plus y. Oh, this is something different. The expected answer was 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 5 7, and 3 plus 6 9, but it is giving me something different. Let us say if you want to multiply this, what it will give? It is giving me an error, type error. Now to do mathematical operations on your data, we have an array command in Python, but array is not a built-in function in Python. It is in another Python library called NumPy. So if you want to do some mathematical operation on your data, you have to create an array rather than list, and array command is in this NumPy library. So first of all, if you want to use array command, we have to import NumPy library as np. This import command will import NumPy, and as np will name it as np. Now make sure that you install this NumPy in Ubuntu or in Windows. If you want to install this library, simply open your terminal, and simply write conda install NumPy. I have already installed NumPy, so I am not going to repeat the process. In Windows, you can write this command on your Anaconda prompt, and it will install NumPy library. So okay, let us back to the real thing. If you want to create array, then simply write np.array, and we want to create an array of 3 natural numbers, which is 1 2 3, and voila, you have your array. And here also, if you want to store this array in some variables, then also you can do. So here see, this thing has been updated, and another array named array 4 5 and 6. Let us see if it can perform this same operation in, if let's say x plus y. Yes, it is giving me the answer, which is 5 7 and 9. And let us try another operation, subtraction, which you can do using minus symbol, x minus y. Yes, it is giving -3, -3 and -3. Similarly, multiplication. For multiplication, as you all know, you can use this star symbol, x multiplied by y, and this is giving me 1 multiplied by 4, 4, 2 multiplied by 5, 10, and 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. So it is correct. Similarly, for divide, you can use this slash symbol and x divided by y, so it is giving me this answer. And you can also store this thing in some variable. Let us try in power operation, which is double star. So let us say z is equal to x raised to y, then what it will give? It is giving me 1 raised to, so let us cross check. 1 raised to 4 is obviously 1, 2 raised to 5, 37, and same goes for 3 raised to 6, 7 to 9. So this is a very useful thing to manipulate your data. Now there is a caution, some instructions which I want to give you. For example, if you have created first numpy array of length 2, by the means of length I mean there are 2 data entries in your array, and another array has some different length, means let us say 3 data entries are there in y array. Then what will happen if you try to add this to array? It will give you an array value error. So here you can see that operands could not broadcast together with shapes 2 and 3, means shape of this 2 array is different. And another useful thing is, here this is called one-dimensional array. For example, if you want to create array of an 2-dimension, or let us say it is matrix, then how you can do it using numpy array? So to create a matrix, you can write in p dot array, let us say 1 1 1, and this is your first row of your matrix. And now you have to define another row, which is let us say 2 1 0. Okay, and this will create your X matrix, which has following data entry. So Python is very powerful in listing and arraying the things, and using this you can manipulate your data easily. So this was all, guys. See you in next video tutorial.